You see? Oh, yeah.
Look at this.
Oh, still hot.
Oh, yeah.
Mukbang. Your mukbang. Your mukbang the pizza.
And then the extravaganza is that one.
Can you open it? Look at that. Nice. Wow, sir. That's special. I'll bring some for work.
Hey, put that on.
Let's eat.
Don't eat over my carpet. You eat over the box.
Okay.
Eat over the box.
Okay. Let's eat. Mukbang. Mukbang. Me and Billy doing the mukbang. Mukbang time.
I ain't eating enough.
Yeah, you get it, honey.
You'll probably need one too.
Okay. Thank you. Put it here. Salamat. Salamat, sir. Sir, gulay sa payan. Yeah, well, you're welcome. Crazy. See, salamat. You don't know how to speak? You don't know how to speak? Salamat, sir. Are you eating or you're dropping?
I'm eating. I'm dropping. A little of both.
I love it. Mukbang.
Bing dong.
We're eating pizza. Mukbang time. Happy eating. Welcome to our channel, Bisaya made in Washington. Sid. The tiny one, is there a tiny piece in here?
I don't know.
This one. There is one here. It's tiny. Thank you. Delicious. Delicious.
This one's a spicy one.
All right.
Hey, you're dropping it all over the carpet. Eat it in here.
I didn't drop anything.
Yeah, there's a green pepper right there.
Mr. Perfectionist doesn't want anything on the floor. Okay. Enjoy eating.